In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Samsung tablet storage to SD card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options that you have to manage the storage of your Samsung tablet, regardless of the model, and how to send most of your data to an SD card. So I'm going to assume that you have already inserted the SD card into your Samsung tablet. If you haven't, there are plenty of guides, and you can check the manual for your specific model online. Once the SD card is successfully inserted, then you will be able to manage everything available on your storage, so photos, videos, and so on. First, if you want to manage your photos and videos, go over to the camera and access the settings. So tap on the settings icon when you go over to your camera app. Inside of the settings, you will be able to find storage location. Usually there will also be a pop-up asking you if you would like to switch your storage to an SD card if this is your first time ever using one. So all that you have to do is swipe and then choose from internal storage into SD card. With this done, every single future photo or video that you take will now go over to the SD card. It is simple to do, and like I said, you just have to open the camera app and change the setting from here. Once it is changed, it will remain like this, and every single subsequent picture will be saved accordingly. You can go back to internal storage if you prefer. Now, if you would like to manage other stuff like your apps, documents, and so on, then sadly, there's no simple way to do this. You will just have to manually change everything over from your internal storage into the SD card. So when you go over to the settings and you choose any application, you will be able to see all of its information, and you just have to go over to the storage category and see where it is stored. If it is being stored on the internal storage of your phone, you have to tap the option to change and then swap to SD card. Like I said, you will have to do this with every individual application. You can change the storage place of the application itself, and then any data that the application creates must be managed as well. And usually this will be done inside of the app itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung tablet storage to SD card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.